Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel. Be sure to check out my other videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome content. In this video I will attach a light to my vertical mill. A mill light is an expensive toy and I was not about to spend a high dollar on something this simple. As of editing of this material, I came across a very affordable version of a machine light, but it's too late now. I bought Arod table light from Ikea. It is still cheaper than the cheapest machine light anyway, and it offers something special for my future project that I will talk about shortly. I am going to use this piece of scrap aluminum bracket to attach the light arm to the machine. All I have to do is drill a couple of holes for M6 bolts. Next, mark the spot on the machine where the bracket will be mounted to and drill and tap the first hole. Use level to mark the second hole and proceed with drilling and tapping. Following order of operations is not critical and is for illustration purposes only. After securing the bracket to the machine, I drilled the pilot hole to then drill a 14 mm bore for the light arm receiving socket. The socket used to stay on the base of the light, secured with a jam nut. It is now getting its new permanent place to stay. All that's left is to put the light bulb and connect the power. Let there be light. So, this base is the special perk that I get to keep for my future cast iron smelting project. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.